The top row of zeros is the binary row. The sliders have decimal numbers on them in the power of 2 from right to left. The BitBoard has 8 sliders with 8 corresponding binary numbers, also called bits. 8 bits or binary numbers make a byte. When you raise a slider up to the on position, a 1 appears in the binary row. Think of the sliders like light switches. When you turn one on, you lift it up. The binary 1 means that power of 2 or light switch is on. You can count with the BitBoard. Add the sliders that are up to get the decimal number.